Hey guys, Pixal here, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install Final Cut Pro onto your MacBook for free. I know it is not a free software, but we can get Final Cut Pro for free for 90 days without any restriction. So this is how you can install Final Cut Pro onto your Mac. Now without any further, let's get started. So open any web browser and go to this website. I'll even put the link in the description box and just click on the install, and the Final Cut Pro free version will start installing on your Mac. Remember, this is just a 90-day trial version but with no restrictions, and once it has been installed, just set it up as usual. And note guys, you can download Final Cut Pro as many times as you want. Even after the 90 days, you can again reinstall the app and use it as it is. And just know that all your data, files, videos, audios will be gone from the Final Cut Pro once the software expires. So keep the backup of all your files. So even after the software expires, you can just reinstall it and you can just bring all those files from your backup and use it as it is. So yeah, just remember the day guys, just don't forget that it is gonna be expire after 90 days. So just remember that, but you can use it as it is and as much as you want. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then don't forget to drop a like. If you want to see similar kind of educational videos, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm Pegasus, and until next time, peace out.